56-year-old man presents with slight reduction in the vision in the left eye since the last 1 month. In cataract or other cataract surgery was performed for him in the same eye around a year back. The patient did not have any other significant ocular or systemic history. On examination, we found that the vision was 6.6 and N6 in the right eye, whereas it was 6.9 and N8 in the left eye. The IOP measurements were absolutely normal, and he had some early cataract in the right eye. On the fundus examination, right eye was unremarkable. Left eye, the disc looked quite normal. The vessels were quite fine. Macula, there was a thin, shiny membrane over the posterior pole. And hereby, I will show you the color fundus photo of the same. I'm not very sure that it's very evident here, but it was a very subtle change. Now, when we got the OCT done, you can see that there is a clear, distinct membrane which can be seen on the left side of the foveal depression in the upper peak. That a straight line can be seen overlying the ILM or overlying the inner retina. And same in the other section of the image also. So this is one case. And so what should we do in such cases? I will leave that for the end. And I'll present a similar scenario. A 56-year-old lady presented with decreased vision and progressive distortion of images in the left eye since the last few months. Again, cataract surgery was the only history that was significant in both the eyes a few years back. Her vision was quite normal in the right eye, but in the left eye, there was a significant drop of vision. She was having 636 part and N80. IOP was again quite normal. Anterior segment was unremarkable. Fundus right eye was absolutely fine. Left eye, the disc looked fine. She had a thick, shiny membrane over the posterior pole in the macula in this case. And we could also appreciate the ILM folds. And there was some distortion noted around the macular vessels also. Here I'll show you the color fundus image. Here we can appreciate a shiny membrane here, and some ILM folds can be noted. I'll come to the OCT. The OCT here clearly demarcates that there is a very significant membrane which can be seen in the lower image, that a part of it is coming off also. It's overlying the ILM, and there is a very much distortion and disorganization of the inner retinal architecture along with some cystic changes. So this is another spectrum of the same thing. So again, what to do? Now, a few simple points which I would like to mention here is early ERM is clinically very subtle, is very easy to miss on a clinical examination. It may not always present with much symptoms. The OCT usually reveals the transparent membrane over the ILM. There may or may not be any change to foveal architecture or the foveal contour. Now, in long-standing cases, these are comparatively easier to diagnose. They have a thick membrane over the macular area. The ILM folds can be seen. The distortion of vessels may or may not be present. And it's a very definitely identifiable membrane over the inner retina is there. Disorganization of the retinal architecture again, and the foveal contour is disfigured. The definitive treatment in this case is surgery. A lot of it has already been discussed earlier, so I'll not go into the details of that. Thank you. This was my first case or first